Hi guys, my name is Malakino, the head coach of the Motorcycle Ride School Philippines, at nandito tayo ngayon sa Deflock Racetrack, Sampaloc, Tanay Rizal. Ano bang meron ngayon? So we have the official test ride for the CF Lite 230 Dual from CF Moto. Ito po yung first time na magagamit natin ito sa kanyang natural habitat. And of course, it's the official turnover na rin ng apat na CF Lite 230 Dual, and of course with one 450 MT adventure bike. At hindi lang motorcycles, meron pa tayong side-by-side at ATVs. So magkikita-kita po tayo rito ngayon sa Sampaloc kung saan na-locate ang Deflock Racetrack dito po sa Tanay Rizal together with CabG, Potomo, and MRSP. Salamat po marami, Motorstrada, CF Moto. Once again, my name is Malakino, Motorcycle Ride School Philippines, for All About Wheels, Manila.